It's a rainy day, you're 20 minutes late. I'm afraid you may never come. Clock is ticking slow, the fire's burning low. Silent shadows with the ring of a telephone. Then you're walking, soaking to your skin, and my heart's inclined to speed, my lips intend to speak. I reach for words as good as gold. Amber of your eyes, the anger of the skies, reminds me of everything that I've done wrong. I escape the fear as you whisper in my ear, baby, listen to me, I'll be your soother. I'll be your Peter Pan. We'll fly away together, down in never, never, never land. The radio is screaming and you say I'm seeming like I got a feeling we're falling apart. Start to get defensive, a little apprehensive. I'm wondering how it ever got this hard. Then you take my hand, say don't you understand, everything's alright, you're with me.